Thank you, MyHeritage, for sponsoring this video. A few weeks ago, I received a DNA kit from MyHeritage that I could gift to a close friend or family member. I ended up giving it to my sister as an early Christmas present so she could explore the percentage breakdown of her heritage in more detail. Merry Christmas, hyvää joulua!
Thank you.
The process was super easy. She just had to swab her cheek for about 2 minutes and send the sample to the lab. So let's see what her results are.
Finnish.
English.
The way that I felt so comfortable living in the UK, really.
Now you know why.
It makes sense.
Eastern European.
Wait a second.
Oh, Mesoamerican and Andean. Middle Asian, Keski-Aasialainen. What I find interesting is that you also have like these small percentages of the same areas, like this Kazakhstan area and Mesoamerican Andean.
Because it was just 1%.
If you happen to be interested in finding out more about your own DNA and heritage, or want to gift a kit to a family member or a close friend, for example, for Christmas, to see whether they have any secret Finn lurking in them, then there is a Black Friday deal until the 24th of November, and you can also get free shipping on your DNA kit from MyHeritage with my code KatChats. I'll leave a link in the description box for the website to MyHeritage, and you can go purchase your own kit for yourself or your family members for this Christmas. To ask where somebody is from in Finnish, you would ask, mistä sinä olet kotoisin? That's the very kirjakieli proper way of asking. Mistä sinä olet kotoisin? Mistä, from where, sinä, you, olet, you are, kotoisin is kind of like where somebody is from. So for example, the word koti means home. So the sentence mistä sinä olet kotoisin translates to where are you from? But the puhekieli version of this, which you might hear more often, is mist oot kotoisin, or mist oot kotoisin, mist oot kotoisin, which also means where are you from. There are three ways that you can answer this question. The least used version is to just repeat kind of the question back in an answer format, meaning you would say olen kotoisin from blah blah blah. So taking Finland as an example, you would say olen kotoisin Suomesta. This sounds a bit clunky, and I don't think people use this that much, which is why I'll focus on the other two versions. The first one being olen or on, puhekieli on, lainen or läinen, depending on vowel harmony. Taking Finland as an example, you would say on suomalainen, suomalainen, which translates to I'm Finnish. So if someone were to ask me, mistä oot kotoisin, my answer would be on suomalainen, on suomalainen, I'm Finnish, on suomalainen. The second way you can answer this question is saying I'm from Finland. Instead of I'm Finnish, you would say I'm from Finland, which would be on Suomesta, or olen Suomesta, on Suomesta. I'm from Finland. The STA kind of is from. So Suomesta, from Finland. On, I am, Suomesta, I'm from Finland. So those are the two main ways to answer this question. Mistä oot kotoisin? On suomalainen, I'm Finnish. Or on Suomesta, I'm from Finland. Now, I thought it would be interesting to go through my YouTube analytics, or tilastot in Finnish, of my audience or yleisö from the past 28 days. and then just go through how you would say I'm from that country. So you get kind of practice and seeing how these different words morph into the correct versions. So the number one place where you guys wash from is Suomi. So we just went over this as the example. So on suomalainen, on Suomesta. We don't need to stay on that example for too long, but the second country where the most people watch my videos from in the past month is Yhdysvallat. Yhdysvallat. Do you know Yhdysvallat? It is the United States of America. Yhdysvallat. So Yhdysvallat, if you want to say you're from the US, you would say on amerikkalainen. I think it's way more common in Finnish to say on amerikkalainen. I'm American. On amerikkalainen. To say you're from the Yhdysvallat, you would say on Amerikasta. On Amerikasta. I'm from America. Or I guess you could say on Yhdysvalloista. On Yhdysvalloista. Or even you could say on Jenkeistä. On Jenkeistä. So in this form, I'm from the Yankees. It translates to I'm from the US, but in Finnish, people do refer to the US as Jenkki sometimes, or not just sometimes, quite a lot actually. So if someone says menen Jenkkeihin, it means I'm going to the US. And in that way, you can also hear people maybe say on Jenkeistä. I'm from the US. It's quite puhekieli slangy, but this is definitely something people do say and use quite often, I think. Number 3, Filippiinit. 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 Now, compared to the last time I checked my analytics years ago on my channel, Philippines has crept up, and I'm thinking, correct me if I'm wrong, that there are a lot of people from the Philippines being trained as nurses and being brought over to Finland because we have a dire need for nurses in especially more rural areas in Finland. So I presume that is why the Philippines is number 3 on my tilastot. But if someone asked, mistä oot kotoisin? On filippiiniläinen. On filippiiniläinen. Filippiiniläinen. On filippiiniläinen. Or on Filippiineistä. On Filippiineistä. Remember the double P. Filippiineistä. Okay, number 4 is Ethiopia. 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 On etiopialainen. Etiopialainen. It's quite a long word. On etiopialainen or on Etiopiasta. On Etiopiasta. Kenia. Kenya. Kenia. On kenialainen. Kenialainen. On kenialainen. Or on Keniasta. On Keniasta. Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Hong Kong. On hongkongilainen. On hongkongilainen. Or on Hongkongista. On Hongkongista. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. A lot of these are the same as in English, just pronounced in a more Finnish way. On saudi-arabialainen. On saudi-arabialainen. On Saudi-Arabiasta. Mistä oot kotoisin? On Saudi-Arabiasta. Number 8, Iso-Britannia. Iso-Britannia, which would translate to Great Britain, or if this is how it was written in my tilastot, but if you want to say the United Kingdom, that would be Yhdistynyt kuningaskunta. Mouthful, I know. But you would say on iso-britannialainen, which people don't really say, so usually people would cut off the iso and just say on brittiläinen. On brittiläinen. That's what you would most commonly hear. On brittiläinen. Or you wouldn't really hear on Iso-Britanniasta. It's grammatically correct. Someone could say that, but you would more likely hear on Briteistä. On Briteistä. Briteistä. You might also hear someone break down more the region where they're from. For example, saying on englantilainen, on Englannista, or on skotlantilainen, on Skotlannista. Someone might even say on skottilainen, skottilainen, on Skoteista. Like, there's a lot of different ways people might say this. The UK in general has so many areas that we could talk about it for many minutes, but let's move on. Saksa. Saksa. On saksalainen. Mistä oot kotoisin? On saksalainen. Or on Saksasta. On Saksasta. Saksasta. I'm from Germany. Saksa, Germany. Arabiemiirikunnat. That's a bit difficult to pronounce in Finnish. Arabiemiirikunnat. On arabiemiraattilainen. On arabiemiraattilainen. Or on arabiemiraateista. On arabiemiraateista. Ruotsi. Ruotsi is Sweden. On ruotsalainen. On ruotsalainen. Or, mistä oot kotoisin? On Ruotsista. On Ruotsista. Remember the R's. On Ruotsista. Ruotsista. Japani. Japan. Japani. Japani. On japanilainen. I'm Japanese. On japanilainen. Or on Japanista. I'm from Japan. On Japanista. On Japanista. Singapore. 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 On singaporelainen. On singaporelainen. Or on Singaporesta. On Singaporesta. Mistä oot kotoisin? On Singaporesta. Kanada. Canada. Kanada. Kanada. On kanadalainen. Kanadalainen. On kanadalainen. Tai on Kanadasta. On Kanadasta. Puola. Poland. Puola. Puola. On puolalainen. 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 Mistä oot kotoisin? On puolalainen. Puolalainen. Or, tai, on Puolasta. On Puolasta. Viimeinen, the last one, Italia. 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 Italy. So, mistä oot kotoisin? On italialainen. On italialainen. 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 On italialainen. Mistä oot kotoisin? On Italiasta. On Italiasta. So I would have said most of your countries, hopefully, on this list, because the rest of the countries would be in the 0.6% or less category. Let me know if your country wasn't mentioned. And also, mistä te olette kotoisin? Where are you guys, plural, from? Mistä te olette kotoisin? Or mistä te ootte kotoisin? Mä oon suomalainen, mut mä myös oon amerikkalainen. Mistä te ootte kotoisin? Kertokaa kommenteissa. That just about concludes this video, so till next time, moikka!